Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's focus on the immunofluorescence. And this immunofluorescence in case of the renal lesions. First is the good pasture. Good pasture syndrome, it has a smooth diffuse, a linear IgG and C3 and the C3. The fibrins are present in crescents. The membranous nephropathy. This involves a granular IgG and also the C3. Next is the post-streptococcal. This is the glomerulonephritis. This will be again the granular IgG C3 in the GBM and the messenger. There is a granular IgA in some cases. Then the minimal change disease, it is immunofluorescence is negative. Minimal, it is negative. The chronic glomerulonephritis is granular. Chronic glomerulonephritis. This becomes it is granular or it can be negative as well. Then is the focal segmental glomerulosclerosis. It is focal. That is the IgM plus the C3 in many cases. Then the MPGN is type 1. That is type 1. And there is IgC3, IgG and C3, IgG and C3. Then comes the C1q or the C4. So disease deposit diseases, dense deposit diseases, it involves the MPGN type 2. Here there is C3 and there is no C1q. So there is no C1q or C4. Then comes the IgA nephropathy. So IgA nephropathy, there is IgA, there is IgG as well as IgM and C3. So there are various things in the messenger. So what is it? It is IgA, IgG, IgM and the C3. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.